Hello guys, how to fix you don't currently have permission to access this folder in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Such type of error appear when you try to open any files and folders in your system. For example, this is a folder and we will try to open this, apply a double click on it to open, and such type of message appear you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Click continue to permanently get access to this folder. Now we will resolve this issue. What is the main cause of this issue and how to resolve this error? And to fix this issue, the first workaround is right click on that files and folders which having problem and issues. Right click on it and choose its properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to security tab, and here system, everyone, your administrator account, click on change and allow full permission for everyone. Finally choose apply, continue, and thereafter go to system and also here allow permission for system. Remove the checkbox against deny and make the checkbox against allow. So make the permission for everyone, system and your administrator account to allow to full control, modify, read and execute, list folder comments, read, write and give full permission, full control to that folder. And now try to open this folder. This folder will definitely be open now. That's all.